Hi and welcome to another Team Knowhow tutorial. My name's David and today I'm going to talk you through the new gesture controls of the iPhone X. Whether you've had an iPhone before or just getting started with your first one, this video will cover the most important gestures to get you started. If you've had an iPhone before, you might be wondering how you get back to the home screen without a home button. On the iPhone X, you simply need to do a quick swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then you're back there at the home screen. This is also how you unlock the phone too. Switching between apps is easy on the iPhone X. Just slide left to right across the bottom of the screen to see your previous apps. You can also open the app switcher, which lets you see all the apps you've had open. The official steps are to swipe up and hold for a second and then swipe to the right, and then you'll be able to browse your apps that you have open. We found it easy to actually just swipe up from the bottom left hand corner in a diagonal fashion, and that gets you to your app switcher as well. Now if you want to force close any of these apps, all you need to do is press and hold on one of them that's open, and you'll notice at the top left hand corner you see there's a symbol to press on, and that then closes these apps. So because swiping up is now how you get home, you might be wondering what's happened to the control center. Well, it's still there, it's just in a different place. This time to open it, you need to swipe down from the top right hand corner of the screen where your battery and your signal bars are, and there you have it. Notifications are accessed by swiping down from anywhere else along the top of the screen, even where the face camera is. You'll also see there are two controls at the bottom of the screen, one for the torch and one for the camera. These are 3D touch buttons, so you'll need to press and hold them for a little longer to switch them on. If you're on the home screen, you can quickly open search by just swiping down from the center of the screen. This lets you search everything on your phone like contacts and apps, and also give you search results from the web too. The iPhone X is a tall phone, maybe not as tall as the iPhone 8 Plus, but still tricky to use with one hand. Reachability drags down all the contents of your screen so that you can use it with one hand. You need to turn it on first by going into Settings, then General, and then Accessibility. To use reachability, just do a little swipe down from about here, and you'll see the apps get reduced to halfway down the screen. And that's it. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, or a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.